What's up, you guys? This time, I'm gonna be building this cicada now. I already built it, but we're gonna be going through the process of how long it took me. Now, normally, this is an electronic kit. It should only take you like maybe 15, 20, 30 minutes. 3 times. It did come with instructions, everything you need. Just check it out. Electronic cicada. Learn to solder. It does make noise. You gotta adjust it. It's a little bit of annoying of a noise, but it's pretty cool. It's from the company Wada. I don't know what that is, but it was pretty cool. Came with everything you need. Look. All right, let's get started. that we're done with it, let's check it out. Let's see how it works. Works with a 9. Oh damn! I didn't mean to drop that. No. There's a 9-volt battery power, baby. Simple light, some trimmers just to, it's kind of like knobs just to adjust the sound, how long the wave, the frequency, how long the noise is gonna be going on, and then we have a switch. Ooh, has an infrared sensor right here. So look, cicada. It's supposed to be a cicada, but it looks like a fly. These two trimmers right here that look like eyeballs. These two parts right here look like eyeballs. This could have been a great fly. Put 2 big eyeballs on there. They got the nose, the wings. A cicada got 6 legs. A fly also got 6 legs. Kind of looks like it. Put that down. And let's turn it on. Switch up. Damn, switch up. Oh, I turned it off. It was already on. I had turned it down. Let's see. Right here. You can adjust and play with these adjustable knobs right here. You're gonna need a flat head though. That's for the sound. That's the frequency right here. So right here in this one, you can adjust with this nighttime, daytime to see where it goes off. So right now, we got the light going on. See how annoying that is? The sound is just a little bit annoying. I expected it to sound different. Alright, let's no. Come on, man. There we go. Turned off how often it goes on, so it takes a longer period of time for it to go off. Bigger waves, baby, bigger waves. Turn it off. Well, there you go. If you want to build your own, it's not really that hard. It's not that. It's pretty simple. But it was fun though. Check out the cicada or the AK, the one that looks like a fly. All right, you guys. See you on the next time.